Yo. The very good combination between Pat Lanking, Mr. Forever, the video vaccine, Yemi Arade. Very nice video. Yeah, it's been long. We have been waiting for this song, for solo, after the tweet, which took place. After the tweet made by Pat Lanking, the posting of the picture of Yemi Alade, and he just posted Yemi Alade, and then he made the hashtag Mombe. It's not most of the time the Nigerians make the titles in French, but finally we got this song when the title is in French. What a song. Mon baby, in my shady. Oh baby, oh my shady. What a song. Wow. Yee-wee. So here we carry on, telling the people to enjoy the song, and now the song is already out. The video vaccine is Yemi Alade, Pat Lanking on the face, and even Mr. Forever. Here we go. Sha. Are you really, man? Don't forget to subscribe on this channel as we carry on enjoying the song. The reaction of Mombe, Pat Lanking featuring Mr. Forever. Dangololo, Dombola.
Oh yeah, baby, Musangarawa. If you don't mind, yo, I go make you my screensaver. Oh, Mr. Flavor.
Oh baby, alakayentale shell papa kimbele kaya. Oh baby, alakayentale shell papa kimbele kaya.
My baby, my chérie, my baby, my chérie.
Onyama
baby me da,
onyama
honey me da,
onyama
ife me da,
onyama
hospital me da,
onyama
baby me da,
onyama
honey me da,
onyama
ife me da,
onyama
hospital me da.
My baby, my lover, my tornado.
Yeah,
My baby, my lover, my tornado. My baby, my lover, my tornado. My baby, my lover, my tornado. What's up?